Hey guys, so we're at our ski house again today. We're working on it, and my husband already just ripped out one of the bathrooms. So I gotta show you because this bathroom was straight out of the 60s. I'm gonna show you guys. It was pretty hideous. So me and my husband didn't use that bathroom. We have another bathroom that he renovated. Let me go ahead and show you quick. So guys, here's where he's at. The whole bathroom was this color before. This kind of, I don't know how you describe it. And this was the vanity. It was straight out of just, I don't know what guy's a horror movie. But my husband tore out all of the ceiling, all of the walls. And so this is what we're left with. And he did all this. So you can see the tile floor here is like vintage style. I kind of like that, but I'm not sure if he's going to keep that. So yeah, my husband went now. He's working on, I'm not sure what they're doing today. Him and his brother are working on it, but they're definitely, oh, the plumber's coming today. So they're waiting for the plumber. We just went to the dump. We had to drop off a bunch of stuff, actually from our house, our lake house. The guy that lived there before, he left like his refrigerator. So we've been trying to get rid of it, but it's very hard. So finally, now that we're coming up here, there's a dump, so we could bring everything to the dump. And so that's what we did. We put it in our truck, brought us to the dump. So and then we had some furniture too from our other house in Eastchester where we used to live. So like our old dresser, so he got rid of that. That was really good because it just, I don't know, I just don't want to even look at it anymore, you know. Kind of, I don't know, it has it's not good feng shui, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so today they're meeting with the plumbers, and maybe we'll go get something to eat in a little while. So we're being very productive. Roxy just cries nonstop for my husband, you guys, because he's on the other side of the house working, and so we stay in this room, and she's not having it. She needs to be with her dad 24/7. She's the Velcro dog. She's touched him like glue. So it's it's crazy, guys. I can't even, in the bed there, she doesn't even make room for me in the bed anymore. It's just him and her. It's glued together, and I'm pulling off the bed. There's no room for me. My husband's like, we're gonna have to get a new bed, like a California king, so there's room for her, and then there'll be room for me. Like, I'm the afterthought. Anyway, guys, I'll be back later. So the plumber just came, and so they're gonna be, you guys saw, it was a huge mess. They're gonna be, we have to do everything. So, you know, I'll take you guys along and show you, you know, hopefully, I don't know, I'm not sure. Normally I do pick out the fixtures and things like that, but I'm not sure what is the story with this house right now. So I think they're just gonna leave it pretty simple. So I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything cray cray, but we'll see. So anyway, guys, I'll hop back on later. Here in the Catskills today, and we're doing more work on our house. So I figured I would just stop in the gardening center, because they have so many beautiful wreaths, and they have these kissing bowls. I really want to get one of those. And then they also do have home decor here, so I wanted to try to get some new, you know, rustic style home decor. So anyway, I figured take you guys along with me. decor. I didn't realize how beautiful it was in here because there was different owners before. So this is a new family that took it over and they just have the most beautiful things. I can't believe my eyes. I would love to just buy everything. I want everything I see. So I don't know, guys, but I'm gonna keep looking. It's just so gorgeous, isn't it? I just can't believe it. Here's everything I got, guys. I can't wait to show you. I was so surprised because, like I said, there was a different family here before. They didn't have all these beautiful decorations before, but now I just wanted I could have bought everything in the whole store. I loved it, but I'll show you when I get home. So guys, it's day 2 of this demolition that we're doing right now. So actually, I say we, but I haven't done any. My husband's doing everything, his brother, and also now my nephew's here with his friends helping. So they did a lot today. My husband just broke up that tub that I showed you yesterday, so he had to take a sledgehammer, broke everything up, and then they're taking out. There was a huge flood here, guys. There was somehow, even though we're in the mountain, a few years back a hurricane came and the town, it's like almost like what happened in North Carolina where the mountain town got flooded and so many people lost their lives. That happened here, and so our house did get flooded, and so we had stuff still in the basement, like that they hadn't gotten rid of. So now they're getting rid of everything. So they're cleaned out the basement. I'm going to show you guys. Let's go. I'll show you outside. All of that stuff is like the washing machine and things like that was in the basement that got destroyed from the hurricane, so it doesn't work. So that's what they're doing right now, cleaning out the basement, and then we're getting the bathroom ready because we're going to remodel it. So there's a lot going on, guys, and that's pretty much it. Let me go show you. So this is what my husband did today. He took the bathtub out, and it was pretty much it was a solid piece of porcelain, and so he had to take a sledgehammer to it, smashed it into a million pieces to get it out, and then he had to clean all that out. So next up, he's waiting for the electrician to come by so he can speak with him about next steps for getting the electricity corrected and set up right. But we're on our way, we're making moves, and he's doing an amazing job. As you can see, guys, it's raining today, but yet it's not that cold, so that's good. I'm just walking with Roxy now. I haven't seen it since it snowed, so the mountain looks really beautiful with the snow now. So, and this, well, it's raining today, so the snow is getting kind of washed away. So there's the mountain and the snow, and then there's just these clouds, from the fog everywhere. But it looks really beautiful. So I figured me and Roxy would go for a walk in the woods. So let's see, there's a creek down there. I don't know if you can hear it, but oh my god, that's so scary. I feel like I'm gonna just drop off. I don't want to get too close to the edge. You never know, it could be like a landslide, or it smells so good. You could smell the pine trees, and it's just so beautiful out. But look at that drop. Like, I don't want to go near that. I feel like this reminds me, hate to say it, but have you ever heard how like people go to Grand Canyon and they're trying to take a selfie and they go right over the edge? I feel like don't want to say it, but I don't want to get too close. So anyway, so gorgeous though, isn't it? And it actually is raining right now, so I don't know, it's pretty cloudy, but it's not that, what I was thinking, I thought it's not that cold, but actually I think it's my outfit, because these UGG sweatpants that I got, they're so warm. And then I have this Alo Yoga. I had gotten these in the summer. I don't know if you really saw, but these pants are so warm. It's crazy. And, every time I wear them, I'm just never cold. So it is probably cold out. It's cold out. But I'm just not cold because these pants are so warm and they're so cute too. They're sweatpants. And then this Alo Sherpa is so warm too. So I think it's my outfit that's doing it. But oh my gosh, I have Roxy kind of tied up and she almost just broke this. It's like to a tree. She almost just ripped the tree out of the ground. So because I just got home, and so I can't wait to show you, and my husband wants to see it too, what I got at I think it was called Smitty's. I gotta look on the card, but it was like rustic home decor. So I gotta show you what I got. So So beauties, here is the package, and look how beautiful that little tag that they put on here is. Put that on a gift for the holidays, someone's gift, because there's no writing on the back, so I could definitely repurpose that. And it came with this string too. I'm definitely keeping this because you could, isn't it? I just thought everything was so beautiful in that store. I'm definitely going to be going there all the time now. But oh, I'll even put that on the Christmas tree. That's beautiful. So here's what I got from a few of the little things that I have here. This here. Let me go ahead and unwrap it. So isn't it beautiful? It's just a little tree with the burlap sack bottom. Oh, maybe you can find this online. Demaco? I'm gonna try to find it online because that's really beautiful, right? And I was thinking I could put one on each side of my little centerpiece here like that. What do you guys think? Actually, that doesn't go with, that doesn't go. Okay, and then I got another one. So I'll put that one on this side here. So what do you guys think of that? And then let's see here. Let me show you what else I got. Because I wasn't sure what I was going to put on it, but now I'm seeing it's coming together. The vision is coming together. So here I got these. Look at guys. Oh my goodness. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. You know what? You can do so much with this. Actually, they had it in the store with a candle in the middle. But you could probably hang this on the door or hang it on the wall, like do to like a little wreath. I didn't even think of that, but she had it in the store, like I said, with candles in the middle. So I'm gonna do that too. Let me put one here. And I got another one because, you know, when you have a big table, this is something I learned, like you have to buy two of everything. Well, not really when you have a big table, but when you decorate, a lot of times you have to get two of everything to balance it out. And I never used to know that, but now I always make sure to get two of everything. So I'm gonna put this one over here. What do you guys think? Oh, I gotta move this. So my little centerpiece, my little Christmas is coming together. I think it's beautiful, but maybe, what do you guys think? Just this? Yes, that's better. Yeah, because this is too much, I think. So take something away. Actually, this doesn't even need candles in the middle. That looks beautiful. That's perfect. And I'll put these somewhere else. Maybe on the fireplace, something like that. Or maybe we'll see. But I thought these were so beautiful, so I had to get them. But I love these. I don't know what you call it. It's like just cranberries and snow and all that. So beautiful, but definitely, like I was telling you guys, at the store, she had it like this with the candle in the middle. So, oh my goodness, yes. That looks way better. Yes, she's right. That does look amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get more candles or put this here. Let's see. That looks like too much though, right? So I'm gonna take that away, but this is everything. This is amazing. So I'll just have to get just put another candle here. So it'll be more like that. And then I'll just do it on the other side. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know. And guys, I wound up keeping that ottoman. It does actually work because usually my husband brings in tons of wood. So that whole space is usually filled up with wood for the fireplace. So it really goes together nicely then. It doesn't look so empty when we have all that wood there. So I'm very happy about this ottoman now. So I wound up putting those burlap sack trees in here. Love that. I think that's really pretty. Festive. It'll be really nice for Christmas when everyone comes over. So that's really good. I'm happy with that, how that came out. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go cook dinner now, and so we're gonna be working on that house for months. So we'll be having a lot more updates to share with the house. Let me know if you have any ideas about how we should decorate the new bathroom. And so that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you videos are all doing good, and I'll see you soon.